So hi team, this is a video demo about your inquiry. Where can you locate or where can you check this categories inside the virtual office, and how can you rename or change the name. So first, let's do this. Okay, all you have to do is to log in. This only will works on your admin account, and a regular account cannot edit any settings or any other information inside the virtual office. This is only for admin level. So first, let's look for the category here. There are two ways. First, this one, click the tools, go to category, and after category, okay, you will be routed here. Now if you scroll down, you can see here the categories. Okay, so you're asking is where can you check this Viva Capture page, the other tell a friend, partner opportunity. So the other category can be found here. So add manually. The Viva Capture page is here. Just a sec. So there it is. Returning prospect, opportunity, opted out, and the other Viva Capture page, this one. So for the tell a friend, I believe this is a hard-coded. If you want to remove this, we can do this for you. Okay, so this is how can you check the category. Now on the second part is how you change a name. And changing a name is different. Okay, you go back to your admin account, you click this admin, and you will be routed on your back office here. Now under tools, click this autoresponder, and you will be routed on this page. Now all you have to do is to select an autoresponder example. Let's do this. Let's change this. So let's check here so that you can check the changes here. Okay, so we are on the Automail. So example, add a contact essence. So let's add this. Let's add the letter N, or add a contact, add and contact. So let's make it a wrong grammar. So check the save, click the save, and then let's refresh. As you can see, the changes did not take effect yet. You have to refresh the page. So let's look for the autoresponder that we added. So that is for Ascent. Add a contact Ascent. So as you can see, it was changed. It was already changed. So let's revert that, and then click save, and then refresh in this page. And let's check if the changes take effect. So this one. So that is how you change the name of your category. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.